What's up, world? Always Adventure Homestead coming at you with another food review, another Nightingale ice cream amazing sandwich review. This is the strawberry shortcake, golden crusted brown sugar cookie, and strawberry ice cream. They are super thick, made in Richmond, Virginia. All right, Miss Casey and I are gonna try this. Check this out. We got a few today. Which one? We get this one, key lime pie. Yeah, we got the chocolate one or something. These things smell so amazing. That's it right there. Miss Casey says she wants a smaller piece. Whoa. Starting to fall apart on us already. All right. They never let down. Never let you down. Oh my gosh. They're all amazing. First time trying this one. What do you think?
I don't like strawberry ice cream.
You don't like strawberry ice cream? Ain't good?
Yes.
Good if you like strawberry. All right, y'all. Oh, baby cow, he nursing. He nursing. Getting that good old milk. Oh yeah, he happy. He's that kind of happy boy. Oh,